It's November's giveaway. If you want to see how to win this, you need to keep watching. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is feeling very, very well. So I'm all excited today. This is the November giveaway. I love giveaways. I know you guys really appreciate receiving those giveaways as much as I appreciate giving them. I do giveaways every month because I just want to show my appreciation to those of you that are subscribed to my channel and take the time to look at my videos and leave your comments and your likes. So it's just a little something from me to you that I give back to you guys. The giveaway is the content of the Etsy mystery box. I'll leave that video down below. It gives a more in-depth look at each item that I received from that. It's a very good box actually. I'm very happy with it. So you will receive bronze palette. There is a face mask. There are some jewellery face thingies there, which are very pretty, very sparkly. There are 3 brushes. There is a L'Oreal, this is the eye primer. We have a Maybelline black mascara. We have Amazon or Find lip gloss. This is like an iridescent colour, it's beautiful. This here is, I think it's like an eyeliner, but it's a beautiful purpley, sparkly colour, perfect for the up and coming holidays. Stunning. There's a beautiful lipstick, beautiful colour. That is definitely my kind of colour. I love it. We have some face glitter here. I don't think this is for your eyes. So if you do put on your eyes, please be very careful. And last but not least, we have a Revolution blusher palette here, which I'm assuming the top 2 are for highlight and the bottom 2 would be for blush. And these are gorgeous. They've got like a marble effect on them. Very, very stunning. So you need to be subscribed. Just write any sentence that you want. End that sentence with any emoji of your choice. The giveaway will close on the last day of November, 12 o'clock midnight. I will pop the winner's name on this video and I'll also pop it on my community page as well. The winner would be expected to contact me via email. My email address is on every single one of my videos, so I'm very easily located. And some people ask, how do I pick my winners? I pick my winners by using a YouTube comment generator and just put the link of the video into this and it will select a winner, and that is the winner. So that's it, that's all you've got to do. Please enter this giveaway. Good luck to everybody. I'm trying to make December a very, very special one, and one thing I have got for December is the, you know, the lipstick advent calendar that I did. I've got a brand new one, so somebody will be winning that, and I'm going to put a few more bits and bobs towards that, especially because it's Christmas. We want something nice for Christmas, don't we? Okay, that's it for now. Sorry I'm rambling. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave your comments and your emoji, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Please take care of yourself. Stay safe in this lockdown. Bye for now. Take care. Bye.